Come with me as we check into the Kimpton Shinjuku Tokyo. I booked a king bed essential that was on the 8th floor via the Amex portal. The hotel employees were nice enough to bring up our bags. Here is a traditional robe that is for use during your stay, if you prefer to wear that over the other robes that you'll see in a minute. There were complimentary slippers, of course, which are the standard in Japanese hotels. Shoehorn, umbrella, thermostat, and then key card to put in to keep the lights on, complimentary yoga mat to use during your stay. And then here is the standard robe, a bathtub, and the shower, which these tended to be pretty standard for all hotels I stayed in Japan. And the vanity, and then there are two doors on each side that you can connect to give yourself privacy. You need it from the person you're staying with. Here is the toilet. There's a standard bidet. Complimentary toiletries, so washcloths. There's toothbrush, shaving kit, sewing kit, makeup wipes, shaving cream, a hair dryer. And I do want to point out they did have a scale, which I wear a size 9 shoe, and I will tell you it is definitely a custom more for Japanese stature with smaller feet because my feet were hanging off. Here's a USB plug, light controls, TV remote, speaker. And again, this is a king bed. Felt like it was pretty roomy after hearing the tales of Tokyo hotels being very small. Pretty large TV, nice little area to put everything. We had complimentary snacks and dessert for booking through Amex. Safe that could fit laptops. It was pretty good, decent size. Complimentary pajamas to wear during your stay. Iron. There's another drawer there that's empty. Mini fridge. Keurig, a kettle, complimentary water, decaf, regular coffee, snacks that you do have to pay for, wine glass, tea kettle. And a closet, which it was nice to have a closet, albeit small, so you kind of got to pick and choose what you put in there. Nice little love seat, which I like having. And then there's an iPad in every room that kind of show you all the hotel services, amenities, kind of FAQs, and the room service menu, which we got in after traffic around like 7:30, and we were done after traveling, so we ordered room service. Also use this tablet to get your room service picked up after you're finished with it. I really like that they had the tablet to order room service. While a lot of the employees did speak English, I was worried about how that would go through translation of me trying to order everything. So that was really easy and helpful. I love that they are, really on the forefront utilizing technology in the room. Here's a quick look of the items on the menu at the time we were there in April and their pricing. So we did get in late, so we ordered room service, Cokes, a steak for my husband, complimentary bread. I ordered the seasonal fish. There were blackout curtains, regular curtains. As you can see, here are the curtains raising up. So it definitely does a good job of blocking out the light. I didn't really hear any city noise except for the occasional ambulance, but that was probably around like 10 o'clock at night when the city was still bustling. I didn't hear anything else aside from that. For the second half of our trip, we came back to the Kimpton Shinjuku. This time we booked a king bed high floor walk-in shower, again through the Amex Travel portal. Now this time you enter in and the toilet is in the entryway of the hallway, little personal sink, bidet again, bed, same controls as last time. The shower, and instead of doors like the other one to give you privacy, there are blinds. And then the vanity and the sink, all the usual amenities. Same size closet, just a different arrangement. The yoga mat is in there, umbrella, slippers, the traditional robe. Then you still have the Keurig, the kettle, the water to make tea if you need, or coffee, the mini fridge. Same setup as last time, so coffee cups, decaf coffee, regular coffee, mini bar snacks. The safe. Pajamas to wear. We again got the complimentary dessert, welcoming us in as Amex Travel members. Here's a nice little table, the couch again, and then our view outside. So that is a tour of 2 rooms at the Kimpton Shinjuku Tokyo. Thanks for watching.